So I bought this beautiful MacPro 2019, and my configuration was 16 core CPU, 96 gigabyte of memory, and the hard drive 256 gigabyte. For some reason I decided not to upgrade. I thought I'm gonna do it myself, and then when I actually received the unit, I tried to figure out what to do with the hard drive, where to stick it in, and where did I put the 256 gigabyte one that comes. I didn't figure it out, so I checked the YouTube and I bought a whole bunch of these little things. First off, I purchased 1 terabyte SSD drive. It's V-NAND. It's not a regular SSD. This one looks like it's this guy right here. So in order to stick it into that box, we need to have the adapter. So I bought one adapter like this. So basically what you do, you stick it in there and then secure the screw, one of the screws. But then another thing I liked, which is also kind of like adapter, but it has two high-speed USB 3 ports and one high-speed data transfer. Forgot what's the name of it. But it also allows you to stick the SSD drive in it and put little heatsink that comes with the other box. But I can use it since I bought it. And if I put this into the one of these slots, it goes over there. It's gonna work just fine. All I need to do is just fasten the screw, put a little heatsink, put a little cooling compound on it, and be done with it. So let me get to work and then I'll show you the final result. Like I said, this is 1 terabyte. Where is it? Yeah. And the unit originally came with only 256 gigabyte hard drive, which is like, I don't know, you put the operating system on it and that's it. So yeah, let me get to the work and we'll see how it goes. Final product. This was my old 256 gigabyte hard drive, and this is the new one that I just put in. So now, since they installed all the data and operating system, which is Catalina, they put it on this little 256 gigabyte hard drive. So what I'm doing right now is copying using carbon copy cloner from little hard drive to the new one, to the new hard drive 1 terabyte that I just put in. This program is doing very good job. So that's all there is to it. upgrading to 1 terabyte. It cost an Apple website a whole bunch of money, and it costed me like $240 for hard drive I bought in Best Buy, and the adapter like 15, I don't know, 30, $50. So all in all, like $300 on Apple website. It's let's see, Apple Mac MacPro. Buy, and we're buying this guy right here. So this is my configuration: 16 core, 96 gigabyte. I overpaid for memory, I admit that. The graphic card and the storage. So they charge $400. It costed me $280. Probably makes sense for them to do it, but I mean, I know how to do it, so I did it myself. All right, that's it. Backup task completed successfully. So now what I'm gonna do is set the disk to be 1 terabyte.